Good day, sir. I am Midshipman Wendy Alal Balientos. Today, I will recite Rule 34 in Colrex. Rule 34. Maneuvering and warning signals. Section A. When a vessel is in sight of one another, a power-driven vessel underway with maneuvering as authorized to required by these rules shall indicate that maneuvering by following signals on her vessel. One short blast to mean I am altering my course to starboard. Two short blasts to mean I am altering my course to port. Third short blast to mean I am operating astern propulsion. Section B. Any vessel may supplement and vessel signal prescribes in paragraph section A of this rule by light signals repeated as appropriate west the maneuvering is being carried out. Section 1. These lights signals shall have the following significance. 1 flash to mean I am altering my course to starboard. 2 flashes to mean I am altering my course to port. 3 flashes to mean I am operating astern propulsion. Section 2. The duration of each flash shall be about the second of interval between flashes and shall be about 1 second of interval between successive signals shall be not less than the second. Section 3. The light shell for the signal shall, if fitted, be an all-around white light visible and minimum range of 5 miles and shall comply with the provision of Annex 1 to this regulation. Section C. When in sight of one another in a narrow channel or fairway. Section 1. A vessel is tending to overtake and another shall in compliance with Rule 9, Section E, Section 1 indicate to her attention by the following signals on her vessel. 2. Plug lance blast followed 1 short blast to mean 1 intend to overtake you on your starboard side. 2. Prolonged blast followed 2 short blast to mean intend to overtake you on your port side. Section 2. The vessel about to be overtaken when acting accordance with Rule 9, Section E, Section 1 shall be indicate her agreement by following signals on her vessel. 1 prolonged, 1 short, 1 prolonged and short blast in the order. Section D. When a vessel in sight of one another are approaching its other from course eating, vessel fails understand attention action of other on or about sufficient action if being taken of other to avoid collision. The vessel doubt shall be immediately indicate such doubt by giving at least 5 short rap blast. With the vessel such signal may be supplemented by a light signals of the last 5 short rapid flashes. Section A. A vessel nearing a bend or an area of channel or fairway near to another vessel may be of course by intervening obstruction shall sound and prolonged blast. Such signal shall be answered with a prolonged blast by any approaching vessel that may be within hearing around the bend or behind the intervening obstruction. If the vessel fitted on a vessel at a distance apart or more than 100 meters, one vessel only shall be used for giving maneuvering and warning signals.